Hey there! Let's keep going with our Google Ads course. In the previous lesson, we prepared our text ads for Google Ads. Today we're going to install Google Ads Editor. This amazing tool right here. And we'll pull our campaigns into it from the Google Ads web interface. In our case, there are no active campaigns yet. So we'll be downloading an empty account. But whether you already have campaigns or not, the process is exactly the same. Just a couple of clicks. And that's what we're going to do right now. For anyone who just found this video randomly through search, this video is part of a free Google Ads training, organized into a playlist like this. We go step by step from simple to more advanced things. We literally start with creating a Gmail account, and then we move forward, gradually increasing the difficulty. So what do we need to do to install Google Ads Editor? We go to Google, of course, and type Google Ads Editor download. We open the first link. Here we have a big blue button, Download Google Ads Editor. We click it and the download starts automatically. If it does not start, click the link below. If you're on Windows, you'll download an exe file. If you're on a Mac, it will be a DMG file. When it's downloaded, you complete a very simple installation. And then you'll see a window like this. In your case, it will look exactly the same. The only difference is that you won't see ad accounts here like I do. I'm just showing you my interface as an example. These are my clients' accounts, so I blurred them. You will have an empty window here, but everything else is identical. You click Add and then click Open Browser to sign in. You might be logged into several Google accounts. Choose the one where you created your Google Ads account. Click it, and you'll see a window that asks you to click Allow. That's it. Success. You are signed in. You can close that window. Whether you close it or not does not matter. What matters is that when we now open Google Ads Editor, we see something like this. It imported all Google Ads accounts that exist under this Google account, basically under this Gmail address. Most likely you only have one account. But as you remember from the lesson where we created a Google Ads account, I showed how you can create multiple ad accounts under one Gmail. If you did that, then you'll see more than one account here. In my case, all my ad accounts are connected to my manager account. This is something you'll need if you want to run a marketing agency and manage client accounts. After we finish the main part of the course, there will be bonus lessons where I explain this as well. Anyway, whether you have one account or several, you check only the one you want to work with right now. If you have just one, check that one. Click OK. Now we choose what we want to download. All campaigns or only specific campaigns. In our case, the account is brand new, so we do not care. We will just select all campaigns. There is nothing inside yet, so we will basically download only the account name. And that's enough for Google Ads Editor to add it to the interface. If you're working with an older account, sometimes it makes sense to click Campaigns I select and choose only specific campaigns. Some campaigns might be old, paused, inactive, or simply irrelevant right now. There is no reason to download unnecessary things if you're not going to work with them. But here there are no campaigns at all. What you see is just the name of the ad account. By the way, your account won't even have a name. It will just show a 10-digit number. The name does not affect anything. So I'm not showing how to rename it yet. I'll cover this later in the lesson about manager accounts. Alright, I choose all campaigns. After I click OK, Google Ads Editor will begin downloading the account data from Google's servers. This may take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes, depending on how large the account is, how many campaigns and assets it contains, and of course your internet speed. So we click OK. And that's it. Our account has been downloaded. This is where we will be working. In the campaigns section, we will upload our campaigns from our file. This will be very simple, and we will do it in the next lesson. Ad groups, keywords and ads will all be pulled in automatically. Everything else we will easily configure in Google Ads Editor in the next lesson. For those who don't know, it really makes sense to go through this entire playlist from start to finish, because this is an excellent course that, honestly, by the way it's structured and explained, performs much better than most paid courses you could buy. Install Google Ads Editor, and in the next lesson we will smoothly, easily and effortlessly transfer the ads we prepared in the previous lesson. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Think bigger and make money.